Cream soup explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of English culinary terms. Ever heard of the phrase, cream soup? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also feel confident using it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Cream. The word cream in English refers to the thick, white, and fatty part of milk, which rises to the top when milk is left to stand. It's often used in cooking to give dishes a rich and smooth texture. Soup. Soup is a liquid dish that is made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables in stock or water. Soups can be served hot or cold and are often considered a starter or first course in many meals. When you combine the meanings of both words, cream soup refers to a type of soup that has been thickened or blended with cream, giving it a smooth and rich consistency. Cream soups can be made from various ingredients like mushrooms, broccoli, potatoes, and many more. They are loved for their creamy texture and delightful taste. 1. Cream of mushroom soup, a popular cream soup made primarily from mushrooms. 2. Cream of broccoli soup. This soup combines the goodness of broccoli with the richness of cream. 3. Cream of chicken soup, a comforting soup where chicken and cream come together to offer a delightful taste. Here are some examples to help you incorporate this term into your vocabulary. 1. I would love a bowl of cream of mushroom soup on this cold day. 2. Can you recommend a good cream soup recipe? 3. The restaurant's signature dish is their cream of broccoli soup. And there we have it. Next time you come across a menu with cream soup, you'll know exactly what to expect. We hope this video has enriched your culinary vocabulary. Keep exploring and happy learning!